Have you ever wondered why we often ignore the advice of those older than us, only to realize later that they were right all along? Let's unpack this, starting with the proverb, "A wise son hears his father's instruction, but a scoffer does not listen to rebuke." The wisdom in this statement lies in the acknowledgement of the invaluable experience that elders possess. They've treaded the path of life longer than us, tripped over unseen stones, navigated through life's labyrinth, and emerged with a treasure chest of life lessons. Imagine we're in a dense forest, lost, and we stumble upon a person who has spent their entire life exploring every nook and cranny of that same forest. Would it not be wise to listen to their advice on the best path forward? They've seen the pitfalls and the shortcuts, the dangerous turns and the safe havens. Yet, we often find ourselves playing the role of the scoffer, brushing aside sage advice with a wave of our modern, experienced hands. The result? We walk into the very pitfalls we were warned about, stumble over the same stones that our elders had pointed out to us. Consider your life. How many times have you disregarded advice, only to regret it later? Perhaps it was a suggestion to study a bit more for that test, or maybe it was a word of caution about a dubious friend. In retrospect, wouldn't heeding that advice have saved you some trouble? The wisdom of our elders is like a lighthouse guiding ships away from rocky shores. It's there, it's tried, and it's tested. It's survived the stormy weathers of life. This wisdom isn't just about avoiding mistakes, it's about growth, understanding, and gaining a broader perspective of life. So, the first key takeaway is to respect and learn from the wisdom of others, especially those with more experience. It's not about blindly following, but about recognizing the value in the wisdom that comes from the experiences of those who have journeyed ahead of us. It's about growing, learning, and becoming wiser ourselves. What if I told you that your words could shape your reality? Imagine a world where every word you utter, positive or negative, materializes into your life. Intriguing, isn't it? This is what the proverb, "From the fruit of his mouth a man eats what is good, but the desire of the treacherous is for violence," signifies. Our words are seeds that we plant in the garden of life. When we speak positively, we sow seeds of kindness, love, and prosperity. These seeds grow into opportunities, enriching our lives with goodness. Our words can become a magnet, attracting positivity and success. On the flip side, negative or aggressive speech is like sowing seeds of thorns. These seeds sprout into conflicts, misunderstandings, and missed opportunities. They can create an environment of hostility, making life a battlefield. The power of positive speech is immense. It can transform lives, foster relationships, and open doors to endless possibilities. So, let's use it wisely. Remember, speaking positively and constructively can attract good opportunities and help you avoid conflict and harm. Did you know that our words can either preserve or ruin our lives? It's a profound thought, isn't it? One of the ancient proverbs encapsulates this beautifully. The one who guards his mouth preserves his life, but the one who opens wide his lips comes to ruin. This isn't about silence or suppression, but about mindfulness and discernment. Our words are powerful tools. They can build bridges or burn them. They can uplift or destroy. They can open doors or close them. In the heat of the moment, it's easy to let words fly without considering their impact. But remember, once spoken, words can't be unspoken. Harsh words can damage relationships, tarnish reputations, and even derail careers. Conversely, kind words can heal wounds, build trust, and open opportunities. That's why it's so important to be mindful of what we say and to whom. So be mindful of what you say and to whom, because your words have power. Why is arrogance considered a trait to avoid? It's a question that invites introspection. Arrogance, in its essence, is a distortion of self-perception, a bloated image of oneself that eclipses the true worth of others. Let's delve into a profound proverb. Everyone who is arrogant in heart is an abomination to the Lord. Be assured, he will not go unpunished. This proverb is a stark reminder of the spiritual and moral implications of arrogance. It highlights a universal truth that transcends cultures and religions. Arrogance is a destructive force. Arrogance breeds contempt, isolation, and conflict. It blinds us to our shortcomings, blocks us from learning, and alienates those around us. When we believe we are superior, we create a barrier that prevents us from truly connecting with others. The result? A life devoid of the rich tapestry of human experiences and relationships. On the other hand, humility and respect for others are qualities that foster connection, growth, and mutual understanding. Humility allows us to see our limitations, to learn and to evolve. Respect for others nurtures empathy, understanding, and collaboration. Together, these traits create an environment where both the individual and the community can flourish. So it's not merely about avoiding punishment or seeking favor, it's about shaping a life that's fulfilling, enriching, and in harmony with others. So remember, practicing humility and respect for others can save you from negative consequences and open more doors for you. What separates those who crave from those who achieve? A question that resonates deep within us all. We've all seen it. People who seem to have everything they desire, while others are left yearning. So what's the secret? Proverbs provides an answer, saying, "The soul of the sluggard craves and gets nothing, while the soul of the diligent is richly supplied." Consider this proverb for a moment. It doesn't merely suggest that hard work pays off, it underscores the importance of diligence. Diligence is not just about working hard, it's about working smart, consistently, and with purpose. It's about being patient and persistent even when the going gets tough. It's about not giving up when you face obstacles, but rather finding ways to overcome them. On the other hand, the proverb warns about the fate of the sluggard, those who crave but do nothing to fulfill their desires. They remain stuck in a cycle of wanting, but without effort and action, their desires remain unmet. It's a reminder that dreams without work remain dreams. So let's ask ourselves again, what separates those who crave from those who achieve? The answer lies within us. It's our choice to be diligent, to commit to our goals, to work with purpose and consistency. So the final takeaway is to be diligent and hardworking, and your efforts will be richly rewarded.